Lean's here, Kathy's here. She already ordered the pumpkin patch. See, you guys are on it. I'm telling you. I don't even need to tell you, but I do like to tell you. So, hey Denise, good to see you. Nancy's watching. All right, so I wanted to show you guys really quick. Let me spin it around. And I wanted to show you, look how beautiful our white woodland is in that beautiful 11 by 7. That's going to be 2.5 quart capacity. Hey Megan, hi Sharon. Good to see you guys. Hello, hello. Look at this. We have red doodle do. We have a little saran wrap under it, but I just wanted to take off just to show you how this truly is that one dish cooking and how nice it is to be able to use it as maybe a side dish or to use it as your everyday dish. We get asked all the time for, you know, single pieces because maybe it's just the two of you or maybe it's just you or you just want it for like a great side dish. Matthew Angelo's on the board. Cindy's here. Hey, hey, hey. Linda Weaver, she ordered some new bakers. Love, love, love. Look at that gorgeous harvest. I love that. We have the Pawfetti out. So many great colors and patterns. This is a huge story today, you guys. Under $20. I've been so excited about this piece. I love that we're basically kicking off, even though Temptations Days doesn't start until the 20th, we still are kicking it off. Oops, I hit mute. We are still kicking it off in a huge way. And of course we have the stackables. So I'm going to have you walk with me. Probably going to get a little quiet because we do have the live show.